Hello, and I am back with another video, and yet again we are doing a Meesho haul. This time we are doing a winter collection. By winter collection I mean mostly I ordered jackets and one sweatshirt, which I'll show you. So before that, let me tell you, Meesho is India's #1 earning app, which has over 1 crore resellers earning more than 25,000 rupees a month growing income. I mean, zero investment, zero risk, and you can earn sitting at home by reselling these clothes on Meesho. How to do that? Watch the video till the end to know that. So let's start the haul, and before that, to download Meesho, the link is given in the description box. If you download Meesho from the link given in the description, which is my link, you get 100 rupees off or 20% off, whichever is more, on your first purchase. So download Meesho from the link down below. It's in the description box, and let's start with the haul. Let's go. So the first piece I ordered is a denim jacket, which has a fur lining. Either I think it has, yes, on the sleeves too. It is dark blue in shade with थोड़ा सा faded ऐसा. अंदर से material is a little different. It's not denim. And if I talk about compare करूँ अगर मैं denim jacket से, so it's a little पतला, to be very honest, but layer it on a sweater and you're good to go. So for the price, I think it's pretty nice. Okay, moving on to the next piece. थोड़ा सा color mix करते हैं. I found this very cute jacket. मैंने ये एक बारी सरोजिनी में ऐसा देखा था, and I found it like pretty interesting because इस पे the pattern here is embroidered, and there's not just pattern, there's pocket, and it has white tassels. और not just this, पीछे भी है इसके. So I think you can style it with a lot of things. इसको तो boho western look भी दिया जा सकता है. So that is why I ordered this one. This one is pretty cool. Again, it is a little cropped. Material के बारे में I will say it is not something for winter कि टी-शर्ट के ऊपर डाल करके चलेगा. It's not very मोटा. So it is for styling purpose, not for keeping you warm. Just keep in mind. So for the design and everything, I'll give it 5 on 5. I loved it. This was one of my favorite pieces of all of them. Now let's move on to the next one. Again a denim one. इससे मेरी expectation थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा थी. It didn't turn out to be that. It is like a denim shirt material. It's not a jacket material. Honest opinion. Because I was fascinated by the stripes. Because आजकल एक pants चले हैं, the button down pants जिन पे ये stripes होती है. I thought I'll wear this with that, with a white t-shirt. For the price and the design, I'll still give it a 3, but not what I expected. Okay, so the next piece that I have to show you is, for the price, I think it is the best buy on the app. It is a puffer jacket. Again, a detachable hood. The material, oh my god, and an elastic यहाँ पे wrist पे, and the material is इतना मोटा. I mean, this is a proper puffer jacket. I thought it won't be the proper puffer jacket, but it is. And the hood has fur in it. तो कहाँ से चलेगा? And the entire coat is lined with fur. so you don't just get puffer wala garmi, you also get fur inside, which won't bother you कि sweater गर्ड है या नहीं गर्ड है. This is amazing. So for me, this one is a 5 on 5. I'll give it 6 on 5. Kudos. This is a must buy, and it comes in a lot of colors. This color fascinated me a little because peach goes on a lot of. There's not just exactly peach, it is somewhere salmon pink, baby pink, carnation pink, like that. So this is, I think, baby pink. So moving on to the next one, I have a half jacket. I know this is a winter jacket video, but this is so cool. Like, I can wear it in summers also, I can wear it in winter also. This is so damn cool. I love this one, and the material is amazing. It is so cool. I mean, the proper denim material nahi hai, but the shirt material bhi nahi hai. It is somewhere in between. So if you are looking for something ki just to style, go for this. This is one of the pieces I have been wanting for so long. और Meesho पे देखते I was like, take it. I need it in my life. So yeah, definitely this one is a keep for all the seasons. So I would rate this definitely a 5 on 5 because this is my favorite. थोड़ा सा biasness है. So the next one is again a denim one. Again some fur, because why not? तो ये थोड़ा different है. हल्का सा cropped है. This is इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Acid washed. थोड़ा सा वैसा है. A mixture of all the denim colors. इसके hood पे there is a fur. And the hood is detachable. You can detach the hood if you don't want it and wear the jacket simply. वरना hood के साथ if you want to wear it, you can wear it with the hood too. The only thing I don't like about this jacket, don't like it, no, ऐसा नहीं है, पर in the center the hood doesn't have a button, so it's hanging like this. It doesn't have a button in the center. बाकी हर जगह center में नहीं है, तो it's hanging. So yeah, it has a detachable hood, which is perfect, so you can wear it दो तरीके से. So yeah, this one also, by the quality, this one in quality comparatively the same material as that one inside. Quality wise, I think this is a little mota than the other one, the one with the fur collar. So I will give this a 4.5 on 5. So the next piece that I have is a jacket which has such cute sequin pocket. It has sequin pockets. Not the reversible ones, but so cute. I love it. And the material of the pocket is velvet. So on velvet, I like sequins a lot. So this is M. I feel I should have ordered a size up, but this one is, it's not the material of a denim jacket, but it's the material of a denim shirt. This is more like a over two layers of sweater, like kind of a jacket, but for the price I think it's pretty fair. So I'm gonna give this one a 4 because I'm a little disappointed on the pocket, because I thought it is gonna be a good material, but it's just a net velvet on sequins. I thought it's gonna be denim and then on that it'll be sequins, but never mind, for the price it's amazing, so I'm gonna give it a 4. So the last piece that I have is a sweatshirt, the only sweatshirt that I ordered. So this is a Marvel sweatshirt. It has Marvel written on it, and seeing the picture I did not expect the quality to be as good as it is, but trust me, if I could buy more of these, if it had more pattern, I would have definitely gotten more of these. But easily you can find more colors, but and the pocket is a plus. So, and I ordered a baggy one because I wear baggy sweatshirts. So yes, a thumbs up on this one, and this one is a find on Meesho. Definitely go for this for the winter. ये इतना मोटा है कि इसके नीचे मतलब you don't even need to wear a sweater. You can just put this on and a jacket and go out, man. इसको तो पहन के आराम से रात को सो भी जाओ एक चादर के साथ. इतना warm है ये. This is a very warm one. I think by far whatever I have bought on Meesho, I think this one is the best one. So on 5 I can't even rate it. It's a 10. It's a 10 on 5. I can't even rate this one. So with this we come to the end of the haul of the winter collection. So now let me tell you a little about Meesho. As I told you, it's India's #1 earning app. So on Meesho, the only thing that you have to keep in mind before ordering is at once you can order from one seller. Like there are 2 clothes and you want to buy both of them and they are from the same seller, you can buy them together. But if both of them are from different seller, this is from seller A and this is from seller B, you cannot buy them together. You have to buy seller A ka separately and then you have to put seller B ka product separately in the cart. After placing this order, you have to go back and then order another one. So yes, that's something you need to keep in mind before ordering. And now let's see how Meesho works. Open the Meesho app on your phone and choose the product that you want to order. Check the sizing and everything. Now add to cart. Choose your size and press continue. It will take you to your cart where you can choose your preferred payment method, like I chose cash on delivery. Now press proceed. Now here comes the part where you can add your margin. Like the product price for this one is 565. If you want to earn a margin of 100 rupees, you can type in 665 and you can see 100 rupees margin. And if not, you're buying it for yourself, you can type the same amount given below, 565, and you see the margin is 0. Press proceed. Now you have to choose your shipping address and then press proceed. Now you'll see your order summary. Place your order and your order has been successfully placed. And you can also track your order. It requires 0 investment, 0 risk, nothing. You can earn sitting at home and reselling the products. Add your margin, whatever you feel, and even you can buy clothes for yourself. If you are buying clothes for yourself, where it asks the amount, you can put the same amount if you are buying it for yourself, and if you're just reselling it to somebody, you can add the margin. The margin that you earn on Meesho is directly transferred to your account. So it's that easy. So this was the haul and I will see you guys next time with another video. तक के लिए अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends, family and everybody you know. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe जरूर कर देना, नीचे एक button है. It's not just for show, just subscribe. Follow me on Instagram for more updates on the videos. And till then, see you guys next time. Signing off.